Love bread but hate the carbs? Try drinking your bread instead. Let's make some kvass. Kvass is a traditionally Russian bread drink. You are breaking down also the carbohydrates that are in the bread, creating simple sugars that microbes eat and release nutrients. They often say that kvass even has large sources of vitamin B12. We need some old bread. We are using here sourdough. Traditionally it's made with rye, but I've done this with wheat, with spelt, and you want to toast it. You can put it in your toaster 3-4 times until it's almost burnt. Nice big chunk of bread, and per liter we're going to put in 50 grams of sugar. And now we want to put boiling water onto the bread and sugar. Make sure your sugar is dissolved. You can use a spoon as well. We're going to let that cool down. Should be around 35 degrees. Now we need to put in our inoculator, which is some kind of yeasty ingredient. So today we're going to use sourdough, but you could also use some of your finished water kefir or your kombucha, or throw in a handful of raisins. It's that easy. Just a spoon. It's like bread soup. Then we put on a cloth for the next couple days, 2 days, 3 days. Give it a stir every day. And the bread has softened. This is the primary fermentation. This is the secondary fermentation. And we're going to fill it up into our bottles. We're going to close this up and keep it at room temperature for the next couple days, and then we're going to have a sparkling red kvass.